Step 1. Complete your framing. You can custom frame the opening or use a prefabricated solution such as a Schluter niche. Step 2. Plan your electrical. Feed an 18-gauge wire through the corner of the niche. For single-color LEDs, you'll need 18 2-wire. Run the wire to the location where you'll be installing the power supply and RGB controller. We recommend choosing an easily accessible spot, such as inside a vanity. Step 3. Tile your shower niche. Once your framing and electrical are in place, it's time to tile your shower niche. The tiling order is up to you, but many contractors prefer to start with the back wall, then the side walls, and finally the bottom. After that, install the tile edge profile against the back wall, and finish by setting the top tile in place. Our aluminum profile has a height of 15 millimeters, or 0.6 inches, giving you plenty of room for both tile and mortar. Step 4. Optional. In most cases, you won't need to cut or trim your LED strip because you can order a kit to your exact size with 1/4-inch precision. However, if you do need to adjust the length, follow these steps. First, separate the silicone-encapsulated LED strip from the aluminum channel. Next, cut the aluminum channel using a blade suitable for cutting aluminum. Then, trim the silicone-encapsulated LED strip using a utility knife. Finally, apply silicone to the cut edge to waterproof your strip. We recommend using Permatex RTV silicone adhesive for a secure, watertight seal. Step 5. Electrical connection. When making your electrical connections, always use the compatible power supply included with your kit. Our LED system is fully dimmable. Splice your wires using whichever method you're most comfortable with: crimping, soldering, or a wire nut. Once everything is wired, push the silicone-encapsulated LED strip back into the aluminum channel. Your installation is now complete.